Show you how to actually take the keys off. Yes, I have a knife here, just a normal knife. I don't have anything better to hand right now, but this gives you an idea of why we have to clean keyboards properly. Because if we were to just give this keyboard away or sell it with a computer or whatever it is, the next person is going to be looking like all that dirt inside there. Every time you eat on your keyboard, you've got something on your hands, touch your keyboard, you've got bits, toenails, all that sort of stuff gets inside all these little bits. So it's easy saying, oh yeah, just go back over it or hoover it or whatever it is, but I guarantee you it doesn't work. Simply because as soon as you start putting a hoover over the top, it's going to suck it up, and sucking it up it's going to hit the keys. So then you're just basically not getting anything out of it. So I'm going away to strip. Zoom in, but put the focus camera in. So yeah, all of this here is inside the keyboard, underneath all your keys. It's like say food, fingernails, staples, dust, dirt, hair, everything gets inside it. So if that's the kind of keyboard you like, then there's plenty of them out there. If you want a nice clean one, then go and buy a clean one. But yeah, I will be back in a second. I need to go and find a brush. So give me 2 seconds. I'm going to take the keyboard away from here for just a second. See, all the dust is there, and it'll magically disappear. Look at that. As if it was never used before. How magical is that? Badly magical, but you know what I mean. Nice and clean, done and good. It's as easy as that to do that bit. This is your biggest part. So this is always the one that's recommended to do first. Like I say, if you break a key, it is replaceable, but there's sometimes just not worth it. And because of shortages, sometimes you can't even get the parts. So I am going to start putting this side back together. The keys themselves are relatively clean, so that's good. The thing I'm going to do is clean the bars. One now cleaned bar. Underneath, not too bad. Another one here, full of hair. And yes, I will be sanitizing my hands afterwards. Okay, I'm hearing things. It just sounded like somebody was whistling behind me, but I'm here on my own. Right. Brackets all cleaned. Keyboard all ready to go back together. So, try and put the keyboard back in the shot as much as I can. But this stand is just terrible. There we go, that's a bit better. Tightened the bracket up a wee bit. So, let's just start from anywhere. Uh-oh, uh-oh. See? It doesn't press. So, oopsie, where did that go? Yeah, that definitely wasn't planned. Oh, there we go. See? Not always planned. Is it that way? Nope, not that way. I think it was that way. See? Oh. Can you actually see that? Yeah. Now it's in place. Good. And then we just start working our way down keyboard, getting every key back into place. Yes, I'll probably speed this part up because it'll be really boring for everybody to watch. I won't speed the first part up, but I definitely will speed this part up. Yep, definitely not the first time I have stripped and rebuilt. Yep, another Harley. A keyboard. Yeah, perfect. All good. And yes, that noise is the vibration going through the desk. That is right, isn't it? Yeah. Shit. That one. Yeah. I've got myself lost. Yeah, D. Yeah. Yeah, that wasn't deliberate. That was just a brain fart there. Yeah. Go for number 8. 9. 0. Ow. Pinch my bloody finger there. Done. And then oof. I've got a bit of a lean there. Shit. Yeah. Just making sure. Yep. Keyboard still in shot. Good. Come on. That's it. And then it only has one. So in. Oh, another here. Yeah, you don't always get everything semi-clean, but you still at least get most of it. So now this bit has to go in there and in there, and then that bracket pushes out a wee bit. It should carefully on, and it did. Good. Now this key has bracket, 2 holders here and 2 holders here. So as long as I get this part right, it should be good. But sometimes these keys can be an absolute pain in the back end. So there we go, and there we go. Now, what's the odds of this keyboard key going in to the right place first attempt? If I can even get that part on there. Yes. There. Hey! First time. Now, again, this one is up, but your 2 holders are down at the bottoms here. So I have to put this bracket in here and in here. Once that's in place, and then make sure that it's lined up. Brackets there. That's it. And then again, line it up. Pop it in. And perfection. This one's got a ridge here. You can see right here. So this part is the front, that part's the back because it goes against the keys here. So bracket bit is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the bracket goes back to front. Pop in, pop in, pop, pop. Make sure it's in the right place and leveled up. And then pop. That's perfectly normal. Now, whole keyboard is stripped. Well, this whole part of the keyboard is now stripped, cleaned, done, ready to go. So, but when it comes to it, what you've done here replicates to this side. So you've got 1, 2, 3 keys, usually with the same as these keys here. So they just pop out, but they've got the little metal brackets behind them. These all don't have anything. These ones, because they're flat, they have a similar cap to what's on the back of these keys, but they're a lot flatter. So there's a lot less likely anything's going to go through these. But these ones, as you can see, the dirt from it was terrible. So
this is the second part. I haven't actually done anything. Stopped last video and just started this one again. So I haven't actually done anything different right now. So as you can see, still using the same knife. It's still absolute filthy bit. And it's just like magic, all busting back down. Now, you just pop keys back in. Again. Oof, this one is bad. This one is bad. Oop, I didn't do that. Oh, put some of the dirt out there. And again, all that dirt, dust, everything else, there. As if by magic, gone, nice and clean. Then we just put the keys back in. Now, hold on a second. Please don't get that off the table first. It's getting rather dirty. If somebody would like me to actually do this with the proper tools, please get in contact with us. Donate the tools. I'll do a proper video using the tools. But for a very, very case of videos that we do, obviously we do a lot of cleaning, but off camera it's easier. On camera, this is just how we're showing that with to be able to actually get this done. Nice and sharp, yes, I'm good. You can do something easy as this. They say just don't force it. So now, as I said before, there will probably be a bracket. Oh, sorry. That's alright. Another bracket there. Also, another bracket there. Bracket there. And
another bracket. Yeah, that did ping off my finger there, but never mind. Done. So, how lovely and dirty that is. No toenails, no clip-ins, no nothing in it, but still a lot of dirt and dust and food and everything else. So again, for the Fruit Magic, one bit, at least it's considerably better. So by the looks of it, this keyboard has actually had something spilt over it before, because all across this side, as you can see, is all dirty. Looks like it's had juice or tea or coffee or something like that spilt on it at some point in the past. So because of that, we can't use this keyboard. So this one would be just kept for internal office use and not actually for going with a computer or being sold or anything like that. So yeah, that would be the next use for this one.
but it's still given a use. We could technically open it, clean it, but all that work to never 100% guarantee that something's going to be good all its life. We wouldn't want somebody to come back and say, oh, I used this keyboard for X amount of time and then it just stopped working. Doesn't look good. So we would either take keys off, keep them as spares, use them internally, like in the office or at home, or put it aside and wait till it's got an actual use, which for our office can be quite easily found. So again, bracket, and there, pop, all done. Again, so this one is at this side, so that means this has to go on the opposite way. So it goes on this way instead. Yes, I can see it's still dirty. So, and as you can see, this brush, it is actually a Hoover brush. I can't actually find a toothbrush, it's fine. I should have probably found that before when I hadn't done this, but never mind. A brush is a brush. Okay. And again, it's on the outside, so I have to put it to the outside. Pop, pop, and pop. All done. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments of keys, completely stripped, clean, done.
That key's not actually in place properly. So this one is not actually in place properly. I wonder why. That's because that's back to front. There we go. That's it now. Yeah. Just keep moving. On and on and on. This time, this is a small one. I won't bother taking that away from here, just do it from here. Still dirty, but not too bad. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean this place again. Just because of one keyboard. Can you imagine if you had to do this 50 times over? Because you had 50 keyboards to do. Well, what have I said? That's pretty much what I have to do. Strip, clean, rebuild, I would say probably another 50 keyboards just to be able to put them back out as giveaways, sell them with computers, or whatever the requirement is for the keyboard itself. So if somebody would like to donate their time and come in and literally do this, then that would be hugely appreciated. But there is a but. We can't have somebody sitting doing one keyboard per day. That's the only thing. We do have time constraints, so we do a lot of different services. So I would aim to have this whole job, if I was to do it in fast mode, in around about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes each keyboard. That's not cutting corners, that's ripping off every single key, putting them into place, cleaning the whole thing and putting everything back so it looks like it would do now. Like I said, these keys here, they really don't need to be done because they want our recessed keys, so they're all good to go. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that video, and please like, subscribe, share, follow, donate if you would like to, and wait for the next one. Thank you and bye.